Tired of lag and dropped connections ruining your Nintendo Switch online experience? Let's ditch that frustrating NAT type and get you to the promised land NAT Type A. First things first, let's head to your Nintendo Switch system settings. You can find this by selecting the gear icon on the home screen. Once you're in system settings, scroll down and select Internet. Now, select Internet settings again to see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list. After your Switch connects, select Change Settings. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see DNS Settings and change it from automatic to manual. Now, for the primary DNS, enter 8888, which is Google's public DNS server. And for the secondary DNS, enter 8844, also a Google public DNS server. These can help bypass some ISP restrictions. Next, scroll down to MTU and change it from 1400 to 1500. This can help improve data transfer speeds. Finally, save these settings. Now, test your connection again. This might take a moment. After the test is complete, check your NAT type. If you've done everything correctly, you should see NAT Type A. If not, double check your settings and try again. Enjoy your improved online gaming.